first small tiny update. It's not really that important. Is that I cleaned up my little tray right here. The box that came with my hard drive, the signed box of the computer TV team, that has all my stuff. Except this is my G1 USB cable. This is like the case of it. The reason why I took this one off is because if you can see, or isn't that one? Yeah, it's that one. You can see kind of. Well, hold on. A tab right there. A tab is broken off, so it doesn't even want to close in place. So that's why I just took it off. And there's just a bracket here. I'll put that back on whenever I want. All right. The other update is, let me just take up the door, is I did a little bit of cable management work here, and I'm sorry if I'm being loud. It's because the fans are so loud, that's why I have to be loud. Anyways, you can see the cables right here that are zip tied so that they're not making a big mess for the GPU fan, because the GPU fan without this little zip tie, it always went like in front of the GPU fan, and the GPU fan seemed like it didn't get enough air, or it was just blocked kind of. Another thing also is the PCI Express power connectors are also tied up somewhere right there. You can't really see them. Another update as well is I took off the hard drive cages and I put a zip tie right here, so it can, you know, the little powers can go over here. So basically I took off the HDD cages or hard disk drive cages or hard drive cages. Let's just make it simple. So yeah, now it gets like the air, instead of going straight, it can just go everywhere. So that's another update. Another weird update as well is that this cold cathode right here, you can see it's a little loose. That has been acting weird lately. Sometimes when I turn it on, it's like dim, like very dim, and so I have to smack the case and it actually turns on. So I don't know if it's dying, which it probably is, or something's wrong, or I don't know. Alright, so let me just close up this case and I'll get back to you guys. So I closed my case finally. Now for the biggest update I did on my gaming computer is what I did on the desktop. As you see, there's no icons. How is that possible? How am I going to run my stuff? Well, down here. These two, this one and the other one over there, is called, well, this one is called Object Dock. The other one over there is called Rocket Dock. They're both basically the same things. All you do basically is, let me just give you an example. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? There we go. So new, let's just do a text document. Alright, so what you do is just drag your icon or document or whatever, and just there. And then it adds the shortcut to your dock. And you just take it out. It's just, you just pull it out and then there. It'll still stay on the desktop. So like, look, if you add it, it'll still be on the desktop. If you remove it, it'll still be on the desktop. What you basically gotta do to remove it is obviously delete. You can also do that option in this thing, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, you can also delete it. So now for the gadgets. Sorry about that. Use the calendar and the clock, the usual stuff. Weather. A gadget that's like seems pretty good, pretty cool. It has a shutdown, restart, and lock button. Over here, hold on. Over here is the network meter. I'm putting my finger there so it doesn't show my IP. It shows you the activities. It shows you the activities of what your internet's doing on your computer. So like if you're downloading something, it'll show the activity of that. And over here, I also have the CPU usage gadget. It shows you like how much load your CPU is, and also your RAM, like how much is free and everything like that. Over here is the same thing, except it has a CPU load, disk load, and memory load, and net load, of how much percentage you're using. Sorry about that. Over here I have a CPU meter. Again, it does like, it shows like what how much your CPU is on load and everything, as you can see on the small percentage thing right there. Over here is the Rocket Dock. Over here is another CPU load and RAM load. Over here is the same thing as my default monitor, except this one has a clock. Also, the other one also has a clock too. This one has shutdown, restart, lock, sleep, task manager, and switch user, and lock gadget. Over here it shows how much my hard drive has and how much I've used in total, and like a little bar, and the hard drive letter. So another thing you guys might be wondering maybe is, where is my tool taskbar? Taskbar. Well, it's not down here obviously because this is occupying it. It's not up here. It's not over here. It's not over here. It's all the way over here. So why don't I just take it off? It's because if I take it off, and let's say I have an internet opening, and you know how you can minimize stuff, right? Oh, by the way, this is my GTA video. Anyways, you know how you minimize stuff, right? And usually you go to the taskbar and then click on it again so it can come back up. Well, if the taskbar wasn't on there, then how would I bring back the minimized program? Because like you can't do it here. So like if you open it and you minimize it, it goes this way, which is where the taskbar is. So then you see, when you click on it again, it just brings up a new one. Just goes to the other one. Yeah. So that's why I have the taskbar still enabled, except all the way over here. And for one, it actually looks nice, and two, I just wanted it to still be here because it still looks nice, and three, because you know I want to minimize programs and then open them again, and not make a new one. And not make a new window or whatever. That's pretty much basically about it for desktop. Now, as you can see, I have my benchmark programs here. Well, some of them. 3D Mark 06 and 3D Mark Vantage. But what's this? It is a folder of my benchmarking stuff. I'm also going to get the Crysis Warhead benchmark because I have it, as you can see right here. I passed Crysis. I think it's freaking hard to pass. So I'm guessing Crysis Warhead is going to be the same thing. But anyways, I'm playing it. And I'm going to get the Crysis Warhead benchmark and also the Crysis benchmark, which I have over here. I also have SuperPi and some program called Sandra something, I forgot. And Cinebench benchmarks. All of these are benchmarks, including the Crysis Warhead benchmark, obviously. So there'll be a benchmark video on that, stressing and testing the system. Which on my system, just to mention, let me just open CPU ID and CPU C. As you can see, my system's on 3.4 gigahertz. So yeah, that's pretty much basically about it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about, and also upload a video at least, because you know I haven't been uploading video lately again because I've been busy with my life and school and you know all this kinds of stuff. So that's why I haven't been doing videos lately. So I'm sorry about that, and well, pretty much just basically it for this video. I'll see you guys next time on my benchmark video, hopefully, or some other video. Also, I make GTA 4 videos from now on, so if it's anything about GTA, I'm just uploading it because either I want to share it with you, it's funny, or it's cool, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.